If you've ever wanted a sneak peek into one of the most deluxe, spacious staterooms aboard the Disney Treasure, then today's room tour is for you. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer, and we are touring the Concierge Family Oceanview stateroom on deck 11. These 7 stunning rooms are Finding Nemo theme and include floor-to-ceiling windows. This is the perfect option for families looking to sail in style. Let's jump right in and explore the fantastic details. These staterooms are not only spacious but beautifully themed with vibrant colors and playful details inspired by Finding Nemo. You will find these details sprinkled throughout the room and bathroom. You're going to love the view. The floor-to-ceiling windows bring the magic of the ocean right into your room. Whether you're watching the sunrise, spotting dolphins, or stargazing at night, this feature makes the stateroom feel open, airy, and connected to the sea. Now let's talk comfort. The queen-size bed is decked out with a custom Eurotop mattress and 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton linens. Plus, the elevated wooden frame gives you plenty of storage space for all of your suitcases and gear. These staterooms sleep up to 5 guests with a sofa that transforms into a single sleeper and an upper berth pull-down bed, and there's even a single wall pull-down bed. The clever design means everyone has their own cozy spot to relax. Check out the functional cabinetry. There's plenty of room to stash all of your belongings. One of my favorite features is the split bathroom. On one side, you've got a vanity sink and tub shower combo, and on the other side, you have a vanity, sink, and toilet. Additional features include modern conveniences such as a mini drawer fridge and multiple USB and USB-C charging ports. This stateroom truly feels like home with a perfect mix of functionality, comfort, and Disney magic. It's a space where your family can relax, recharge, and make memories that will last a lifetime. As a concierge guest, you also get access to exclusive areas like the Concierge Lounge on deck 12. It's the perfect spot to grab a snack, sip a drink, and chat with the amazing concierge team. And don't forget the sun deck on deck 13 forward. With whirlpools, cushioned loungers, and a waiting pool, it's a private retreat with some VIP relaxation. If you're still considering other stateroom options aboard the Disney Treasure, be sure to check out our room tours playlist. Let us know if this stateroom tour was helpful by giving the video a like and subscribing so we can keep bringing you great Disney Cruise Line content. And if you're ready to find out how to get onboard credit when booking with the Vacationeer, you can submit an inquiry at vacationeer.com/YouTube. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again real soon.